Hey Keith, this is Scott Tracy here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. You'd inquired about this beautiful 2012 Mustang. As you can see, I don't do any camera tricks. It's right here behind me. This is the car that should be in your driveway. So Keith, if you would, go ahead and give me a call, set up an appointment on this vehicle today. We've got plenty of inquiries on it. 205-380-6250. Again, the number is 205-380-6250. Or if I'm busy, contact my office partner, which is Walt Lee. 205-380-6250. Or you can come by and see us, 1595 Montgomery Highway right here in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you.